Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to spot imposter in Among Us. Watch for sudden changes in behavior from how a player typically acts. Observe if a player pretends to perform tasks but doesn't complete them or spends too little time on them. Catch players using vents or appearing near vent locations without reasons. Notice if a player takes unusual routes or seems unfamiliar with the map layout. Pay attention to how quickly players respond to sabotage or if they seem to know where to go immediately. Note if a player avoids grouping with others or conversely, tries to stay in group for safety. Check if a player's alibi remains consistent or changes when questioned. Consider who calls emergency meetings and their reasons for doing so. Monitor the taskbar to see if tasks are being completed at the expected rate. Confirm if a player claims to have visual tasks like medbay, scan, or trash disposal, which have visual cues when performed. Observe how players react to accusations or suspicions directed at them. Time players' movements relative to when events like sabotage or kill occurs. Analyze voting patterns, especially if players vote quickly or change votes abruptly. Listen for verbal cues such as hesitation, contradiction, or overly detailed explanations. Verify task claims by watching for visual task completion or waiting to see if task bars increase. Test players' knowledge of the map layout and specific task locations. Note if a player becomes overly defensive when accused or questioned. Evaluate if a player's accomplishment match the time they spend visible. Watch the players do after a meeting or when no one is around. Do they act suspiciously? And that's how to spot imposters in Among Us. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.